Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple natural hairstyle using Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner. This was my first time using the product. The product slipped right out of my hands. I didn't expect it to be so liquidy since I'm used to thick leave-ins. So yeah, it slipped completely out of my hands. I was not ready for that. The Quench leave-in conditioner has so much slip, and my hair was soaking up the moisture so fast. It was better than applying water. Like usually I would have to spray my hair so much with water, but just some of this product and my hair was wet. I'm being super heavy-handed with the product and applying it only to my roots because I really want my twist to look sleek. Okay, so this is a really bad close-up, but I wanted to show how moisturized my roots were. So now I'm just sectioning off the front parts of my hair. And twisting them back. You can see how shiny and hydrated my twists look, and I didn't even brush out the curls. And that's the effect I would normally get if I brushed out my curls, but just applying this product, it made my hair look super just moisturized. To secure my twist, I just use a medium-sized clear clip to hold the hair together in the back. And to make this simple hairstyle look even cuter, I added a few gold clips and then my hair was complete. I absolutely recommend Aunt Jackie's Quench Moisture Intense Leave-In Conditioner if you're looking to revive dry hair and refresh your curls. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!